All right, guys, let's get in the studio and get set up. What is this?
I don't know.
You didn't have anything to do with this?
No.
To Fun King 3D from Santa. We should probably unwrap it. You want to do the unwrapping? All right.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Wow.
It's the MakerBox. Awesome. Well, I guess we need to unbox that and show everybody what's inside, don't we? I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
I'm Zachary.
And together we're Fun King 3D, and we're going to show you what's inside the December's MakerBox. I guess I could let you do that.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, all right. All right, everybody. So this is the December's MakerBox, hence the hats. If you're watching this when it released, it is December 24th, which is Christmas Eve. And if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, happy whatever you celebrate. Well, there's other holidays.
Yeah, I know,
so.
but still.
Now, do you know anything about this box? I mean, I know you know about the MakerBox, but do you know anything about
That
the
Joel
December's?
helped.
Joel curated this box. So, that's Joel, the 3D printing nerd, for those of you guys who don't know. Oh, I already see cool stuff in here.
That's all I want.
Oh, hey. Oh, this is so exciting. This is so exciting. Okay, so, I don't have my glasses, so I won't really be able to read very well, but starting in January, we'll be sending out rewards for consecutive membership months. At 8 months, you'll get a free limited edition filament sample in your box. At 16 months, you will receive a certificate for a free MakerBox t-shirt. Oh, and those are nice too. If you don't have a MakerBox t-shirt, they're really nice quality shirts. So, included in this month's MakerBox is a sticker for Marlin, one of the most used firmware for 3D printers. Printed Solid has made a donation to Scott, and I'm not going to say Scott's last name because I really mess it up every time. Yeah, he's Scott from Marlin. I don't want to butcher his name, who is one of the major contributors to the Marlin development. And he is. And if you don't support him on Patreon, oh, that's what it says next. You can also support him on Patreon. And his Patreon link is /thinkyhead. At Printed Solid, we believe in supporting the 3D printing community and open source. So enjoy your Marlin sticker this month, knowing that a portion of the proceeds has gone to supporting open source development for the 3D printing community. We support Scott on Patreon, and I'm not saying that you have to, but if you use anything with Marlin in it, you should, because Scott does amazing, amazing work. So I'm really excited about what's laying here on the top, and I don't know if we should talk about it first. Well, I was talking about this. I don't know if we should talk about this first or save it for last, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna break it out. This is a sample bottle of 3D Gloop. And if you have not tried 3D Gloop, this stuff for gluing PLA is amazing. When you try this and you realize how well it works, you're going to immediately become what I like to refer to as a gloopy. You are going to love it so much that you'll become a regular customer. And Andrew are awesome, awesome guys. So the very top sticker in here is a JoelBot sticker, 3D PN. So This I spotted right away when we opened the box too. This is cool. It's kind of a non-3D printing related thing. I don't know if you could cut filament with that, but that is a letter opener, and that is an atomic filament. And I love swag as a whole. So, but that is an atomic filament letter opener. Also will work well for cutting the tape on boxes. These are our MakerBox discount codes. And as usual, I'm not going to share those with you. I want you to have discount codes, but to get discount codes, you have to get a MakerBox. What else you see in there? Protopasa I Print Matte. It is quite the sticker of Palooza in here this month.
It's like a gloop guide. It's a gloopy guide.
Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, so it's a quick start guide to...
A guide to being an excellent gloopy.
To being a top gloopy, that's right. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, 3D Gloop is not just it's not just a glue. You can actually use it as a bed adhesion material. You can also use it to smooth your prints. It's really good stuff. We met them at Orlando Maker Faire this year. And they glued some things for Xander, and which turned out fantastically well. I mean, it's stuck. So, but yeah, definitely check out 3D Glue. You want to read the first? You should probably read all the filaments, being that I can't see.
Okay. This is Mirandament. Mirandament. Is
that? All right, go ahead and read. Sorry.
Mirandament PLA Red. The hot end temperature is 180 to 200. The bed temperature is room temperature to 60. The speed is up to 70 millimeters per second, and you will need a fan. It is a high quality PLA produced in collaboration with designer Ivan Miranda.
I had a feeling.
Our Printa Pro is a premium European filament manufacturer who maintains the best popular quality along with close ties to their raw material suppliers. Enjoy 50% bonus length on this sample. And that's a Printa Pro.
And where is that made?
Austria.
Austria. I don't know if we've ever had a filament out of Austria. And I know the camera is not going to do this justice, but this is a really great red. A lot of red filaments are more orange. This is not. This has got a good red to it, and being, I mean, Ivan Miranda's all about the red, so that's very, very cool. I like it. You gonna read the next one too?
Mm-hmm. You told me I have to read all of them.
Well, you probably should. I mean, I can see.
This is marble PL. Ooh, we need marble.
We do like the marble.
We do like marble. This is marble PLA with a hot end temperature of 190 to 230. The bed temperature is room temperature to 60. The speed is not listed. You will need a fan, and it is not abrasive, and no special nozzle is required. A speckled PLA for a cool marble-like look, made in the USA with pure NatureWorks resin and plus/minus. Oh god.
Yeah, it's plus or minus 0.02 millimeter or less average diameter variation. So it's a quality-wise, it's a good quality filament. Atomic filaments. Yeah. I like the marbles, and I like that the marbles are generally a non-abrasive material. There might be a little some extra in that screen right there. Maybe a discount code.
Wait, what?
There's a discount code on that sticker.
Oh.
All right, so this one is Alpha Pro. It's a beta release. So this isn't even like a regular.
I want to read it.
It's okay.
That's fine. You can read it.
Okay, because you want the next one, don't you?
Yeah, I like that one.
All right, so it's a beta release. It is 190 to 210 degrees Celsius. Bed temperature of room to 50 degrees. fan speed of 40 to 120 regular speed of 40 to 120 millimeters per second. It does require a fan. Print like PLA. The holy grail desktop of 3D printing. Ooh. A material that prints as easily as PLA but has better durability. We got to figure out a test for that. You know, a lot of PLAs claim that it prints just like PLA but is more durable. We need to figure out a test for that. Philo Alpha thinks they might have figured out how to do this with this Alpha Pro material, and they are letting MakerBox customers test it. So this isn't even out on the market. It's just been in the MakerBox, which is pretty awesome. You can expect this filament to be easy to print, resistant to high temperatures, UV resistant, resistant to hydrolysis, moisture, elevated performance, and impact resistant. What do you think? Give it a try and message Philo Alpha to share your thoughts. Sorry, I can't see. To share your thoughts. Plus sandable and post workable. See, now I'm really intrigued because we have a project that we're working on that's going to need to be outside, and the fact that this is UV resistant and it's more durable, we're gonna give that a definite try.
Is this Hi-Fi blue?
It is not.
Oh, darn.
It is not. Surprisingly, it is not, but it is not.
There's one more.
Is
There's
there
a
something
sticker
else in there?
It's a sticker.
Oh, that's the Marlin. That's the Marlin sticker. Marlin inside.
Darn
That's
it,
pretty
it's
cool.
not Hi-Fi blue.
No, but it's matte blue, and that's pretty exciting. So
It's matte fiber.
matte fiber. You know what matte means?
No.
Okay, so there's shiny, glossy, or flat. Matte is kind of in between that. It's not really a flat color. Not flat like squish flat, but flat like no shine.
Yeah,
so
bland.
matte has
Bland.
kind of a little bit of a sheen to it, but it is not glossy.
HTPLA blue. The hot end temperature is 190 to 230. The bed temperature is room to 70. The speed is 30 to 90 millimeters per second. Hardened nozzle is not required. Printed parts have a lower luster textured surface, which creates a highly desirable contrast between light and shadow. Texture, color, and sheen can be somewhat manipulated by printer settings as well as post-processing. Printed parts can also be smoothed or weathered with paint for alternate
Aesthetics?
aesthetics.
Yeah, aesthetics.
The plant-based fibers lend well to adhesion of paint and other aesthetic coatings.
Protopasta. Awesome. Yeah, I gotta be honest, I haven't printed a lot of protopasta at all, but I've never done any of their matte. So I'm a kind of a simple filament kind of guy, you know, like I like basic filaments, but we've printed with their Hi-Fi blue, which is fantastic. So that'll be exciting to try some of their matte finish stuff. So that's for really nice filaments. I'm excited about that, right? I'm really excited about the Alpha Pro Beta to see, but we got to come up with some kind of a test for testing these filaments that claim that they're tougher than all the others. So a really cool letter opener and or box. In fact, when you get the MakerBox and it has that tape on there, you can get that underneath there and just cut the tape. So that could be a MakerBox opener. That's pretty exciting. We got the 3D Gloop, which is pretty cool. And we got the Gloop cheater cards. And we got a Joel Bot 3DP and sticker. An iPrint matte, being that we got matte filament from Protopasta, and a Marlin inside.
And candy.
And Sour Patch Kids, which are always fun to watch the kids eat those. So
I enjoy them.
This was a really fantastic delivery from Santa Claus, and we and we appreciate it. We do love the MakerBox, and you will too. If you don't yet get MakerBox, there is a link in the description to get one. That is a tracking link, but it is non-affiliate. It just lets me know how many people have purchased through our link, and that is greatly appreciated. There is also a discount code down there in the description to help you get a little bit off of your first box. At least take the opportunity to get a box and give it a try. They've got a couple different options now. This one is the Explorer box. There's also there's an option to get a little bit more of an engineering level type filament, and then you can get the I'm all in box, which I think they could just call it the everything box.
I think like they put in like both filaments, like
that's correct.
It's like 2 boxes in one.
2 boxes in one, and at a discounted price, so which is a pretty awesome deal. So we love the guys over at MakerBox. We love the
like
MakerBox.
Discounts.
We have a few of them. And it gives us a great opportunity to try filaments that we haven't yet tried. It allows us to discover filaments that we wouldn't discover otherwise, because it's always rough when you buy a roll of filament and you're like, yeah, I want to try this, and then it's terrible, and you end up with that whole roll sitting around. Or if you take the plunge and order more than one roll because you want a couple of colors, and then it's terrible filament, and then you're just kind of stuck with it. Well, this gives you a great opportunity to try some filaments. We recently ran through a couple of samples on a project or two, and I was super excited about the filament that we used, so I've now ordered full rolls of those. And of course you get your discount code, and if you use the discount coupons, you will save back more than you paid for the box. So that's always a good thing. So if you like what we're doing, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. We'd like you to ring that bell for notifications.
And a thumbs up is always appreciated.
Always appreciated to get the thumbs up. So, and you know, if you want to leave us comments, we love the comments. We try to answer back to every one of them.
Not the hate comments; those aren't nice.
Well, sometimes they're entertaining, but you know, yeah, like Zach said. So that's it for this month's MakerBox. And if you haven't seen the rest of the MakerBox videos, they're back there. Otherwise, check out some of our other stuff. And we'll see you next time. Yeah? Merry Christmas to all of you who celebrate Christmas, and happy whatever to those who celebrate something different. And as always, print on!